Now I'd like to present a Korean vocabulary quiz. Please focus on your screen. What vocabulary words can be used to fill in the blanks? Connect the words to the sentences in which they belong. Did you get the correct answers to the quizzes? Were they a little tricky? I'd like to introduce some useful books that are helpful to people who know some Korean, but have trouble picking just the right word needed for a particular situation. Hello, I'm Cameron Word. I'm an English language lecturer and presenter on the Korean Broadcasting Network, EBS, as well as a performer in the entertainment industry here in Korea. The 2000 Essential Korean Word Series is a series of Korean vocabulary textbooks containing 2,000 words each at the beginner and intermediate levels, divided into major topics and arranged by more specific subcategories within. Let's take a look at the 2000 Essential Korean Word Series. Vocabulary words are divided into 14 major topics and related subcategories. With essential beginner and intermediate level vocabulary divided into 14 major topics and related subcategories, it's easy to understand which words are used with which topics. These vocabulary textbooks extract over 2,000 high-frequency vocabulary words and present them through examples of topic-relevant conversations that are commonly used in real life, all matched to the learner's level. 2000 Essential Korean Words understands the difficulties learners face and includes references in the form of relevant synonyms, antonyms, formal speech, informal speech, and related words so that learners can improve their vocabulary skills. And it's not just that. The book also provides audio recordings of professional Korean voice actors via QR codes so that learners can know the exact pronunciation of vocabulary words. Conveys precise meaning by providing translations suited for learners. Sick of vocabulary textbooks that only present the translation of words in English? 2000 Essential Korean Words provides English, Chinese, and Japanese so that learners from all language backgrounds can grasp the precise meaning of vocabulary words. In addition, in the German and French editions, example sentences are also provided in each language in order to help European learners unfamiliar with Korean to learn Korean vocabulary. Learn Chinese characters, all essential for learning Korean vocabulary. Chinese characters are a crucial part of learning Korean vocabulary. By studying Chinese characters, learners can see and accurately understand the meaning of Korean vocabulary words, so they're absolutely necessary. The 2000 Essential Korean Word Series includes a summary of relevant Chinese characters in map form at the end of each chapter, explained so that even if you can't use Chinese characters correctly, you can still understand how Korean vocabulary words were created. An appendix that helps you use Korean vocabulary in practical ways. In the appendix to the beginner level book in this series, the most important usages of verbs and adjectives have been arranged in a table so that you can identify accurate ways to use Korean predicates. In the appendix of the intermediate level book, related words and expressions that enhance the meaning and usage of vocabulary, such as intermediate grammatical expressions, are included so that you can use Korean vocabulary in a more practical way. The 2000 Essential Korean Word Series for systematic study of Korean vocabulary. These books are ready to take their place as systematic, step-by-step Korean vocabulary textbooks suited to the learner's level. They'll also be useful as a vocabulary study tool for learners who are preparing for the TOPIK exam. An advanced level vocabulary book will be published soon too, so stay tuned. Having trouble studying Korean vocabulary? Want to know exactly how Korean vocabulary words are used? With the 2000 Essential Korean Word Series, Korean vocabulary is fun and easy to understand. Try mastering Korean vocabulary with the 2000 Essential Korean Word Series.